Okay, so the cube root function, all right? All that is, it looks like this. The cube root of x, okay? That means what was cubed to equal x. Okay, I know it's a little confusing, but just copy that part down, okay? So what was cubed to equal x? All right, we're going to do 3 examples the same way. Okay, so we have example A. Let's say we have the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8. All that is equals 2. Okay, so just like the opposite of the like if we did 2 cubed, it equals 8. Just the opposite. The cube root of 8 is 2. Okay, example B. Cube root of 125 equals 5. All right, because if we did 5 cubed, it would equal 125. Okay, you got C. Cube root of negative 27, that would just equal negative 3. Okay, we took negative 3 and cubed it, that would give us negative 27. So you're just doing the opposite. Okay, just backwards. And nothing crazy. Okay. So your function, okay, your parent function, y equals the cube root of x. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, that's your parent function. Okay, and again, the domain is all real numbers, which is just negative infinity to infinity. Okay, and the range, same thing, negative infinity to infinity. All right, because they're always going to be increasing, okay, up and side and horizontally. Okay. So the difference between the cube root function and then the cubic function, okay, it's different. The graph is different, especially this one's going horizontally, the other one goes up and down. All right, and it's just pretty much backwards. Okay. So again, make your equation big. We're going to talk about the transformations. So you have y equals negative a times the cube root of x minus h plus k. Okay. So remember, the negative sign means reflected across the x-axis. So the negative sign means okay. This part right here, okay, is your horizontal shift. So if it's x minus h, moving right, h units. If it's x plus h, moving left, h units. Okay, going back to A. Okay, A is a vertical dilation. Okay, A means vertical dilation. Okay, and again, if A is greater than 1, it's a stretch. If A is in between 0 and 1, it's a compression. Okay, and then the K. Vertical shift. Okay, remember if it's plus K, up K units. If it's minus K, down K units. This is a K. Down K units or up K units. Okay, I'm gonna do a first example. We'll do 4 more examples. Okay, so my examples. All right, so I have number 1. Okay, y equals cube root of x plus 1. Okay, so y equals the cube root of x plus 1. All right, so we're going to write our transformation first, and we'll draw the graphs. Okay, so my transformation, right, I only got one transformation here. Okay, if I look up here, right, there's no transformations besides the k. Okay, my 1 is my k. All right, so it says plus k plus 1 up k units. So it goes up 1 unit. Okay, and that's all it moves, up 1 unit. So I have y equals cube root of x. That's my parent function. And remember, it looks just like this. Okay, that's my parent function. All right, and then you have your transformation. So I have y equals cube root plus 1. Okay, if it starts at the origin, right, so it's plus 1 means I'm going up 1 unit, right, that's what we talked about. So you just move it up 1 unit, and that's where you start it. Go through here, and it goes just like that. Okay, you just moved it up 1 unit.